What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's makeup tutorial. We're doing a holiday makeup look today, girl, and it just makes me laugh because I just can't even imagine putting a mask over this lip. Like, no. But you know what? I am just sat down and I'm like, I'm gonna bust out some holiday makeup looks. You know, even if you're just staying home, do it for yourself and just have fun with it. I'm like, even if my dog tells me I'm pretty, then I'm happy. You know, I don't know how much we're all gonna be able to get together this holiday season, how much we're gonna be able to go out and enjoy it like normal, but hello, it's 2020 and that is to be expected. However, do it for yourself, have fun. I literally put my Christmas tree up a week ago. Like, I am just rolling into the holiday spirit, making the best of it, and just, you know, being excited and still happy, even with everything going on. So yeah, with that being said, this is just a super like glam, but like a simple glam holiday makeup look, because they got the bold lip and a wing liner, but theirs are actually pretty simple. It's just the wing liner and lashes, and if you wanted to tone down the lip, you could also do just like a nude or any color just to kind of keep it a little more neutral, because I mean, I don't wear a red lip on the daily, but you know, you have to do it once in a while during the holiday season. I encourage you guys to just try it out. Makes you feel, you know, like a woman, and yeah, I'm into it. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Please leave me a comment and say what's up if this is your first time here. Give this video a thumbs up if you are ready for the freaking holidays, and let's get into it. All right, hello again, bare-faced Lexi. Here we go. I have nothing on my face besides just like a lot of moisturizer, my morning skincare, and we are going to start with the eyes, specifically the brows. So I'm using this e.l.f. brow pencil. I've really been loving this recently. Sorry that I'm covering up half the camera right now with my mirror, but I promise I figure it out and put it down in a second. So yeah, I'm just using this brow product. It's great, drugstore. Love finding affordable brow products because I fly through them. But yeah, all I'm doing here is filling in these sparse areas with the pencil and then using the spoolie to brush the brow hairs up. I like doing just little hair-like strokes, taking my time, and yeah, I just kind of go back and forth doing this and so on, following my natural brow shape. I like just kind of keeping my brows fluffy and crazy, if you couldn't tell, but it's a look. I like it. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are interested, I wanted to mention in any of the products that I'm using in today's video, they will be linked in the description box. So if you don't catch it when I mention it or hold it up super quick, all of the products will be linked down there. So make sure you guys check that out. And yeah, this is it. I'm just doing one side and then the other, and we will move on. All right, after doing my left side, I did decide to put in some brow gel. This one is by Benefit. It will be in the description box. And I love just using this to kind of finish it off, keep those hairs in place. All right, next I'm using the Rare Beauty Concealer. Love it, to prime and correct my lids. So this is going to act as a great base for eyeshadow, and it's also getting rid of my discoloration and veins and just giving us a nice smooth canvas. So I'm using a brush here to blend it out, and then I'm also kind of using my finger to really pack it in there. All right, for the eyeshadow look, I'm laughing at how dirty this palette is. It is very well loved. It is my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Such a good go-to palette for, you know, everyday or glam looks. It's super beautiful. So I'm picking up this nice white and bright shade called Tempera from the palette. You can use a setting powder or any shade that you have that's similar to set down that concealer that we used to prime the lids. So this is just, you know, setting that down, making sure there's nothing sticky, and also just really brightening up the eye because I want the eyes to appear nice and big and bright, so that works perfectly for that. All right, next I'm picking up the shade Orange Soda on just a small blending brush. I love this shade as a transition color. Again, you can use, you know, a similar color or a bronzer works really well for this as well. And I'm just taking my time blending it into the crease. I like to do windshield wiper motions and then like little circles. It just helps blend it into the crease. We're just creating that definition for the eyes. So again, this is just going to help your eyes appear big and round and beautiful. You can just follow your natural crease shape here and just take your time, because that's really all we're going to be doing as far as eyeshadow goes, because we're jumping in to a winged liner. So today I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I do like this one. I like that it dries down matte. And here you're going to see me attempt to doing the liner on camera. So I do it a little bit different. I like to do the little flicks on the outer edges first. It's just like how I like to visualize it. I like to make sure that they're even on both sides before I do like a whole wing and then one of them's off. So I do the flicks first, make sure that they're even and that I like them, and then I kind of connect it into the actual, top of my lid and bring it around. So you will see me attempt to do that here. All right, and then the reason we do our eyes first, especially on a winged liner day, is because we can clean up any boo-boos with a makeup remover wipe. So I'm just grabbing a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe, sticking my nail in there, and then just kind of making sure the wing is super sharp. And then here I'm picking up the black shade in the palette called Noir. Noir on a flat winged liner brush, and I am packing this into the upper waterline, and you can kind of go over the wing if you need to, just making sure that the actual lash line is super dark and black. Now I'm taking a flat brush and picking up this deep red shade called Mulberry from the palette, and I'm just running this on my lower lash line. So this is just going to give us a really nice pop of color. I pick up a fluffier brush in a second and just kind of smoke it out. It's super pretty. And you know, I can't have a completed eye look without putting a pop of color in the inner corner. So this is just like a really pretty gold, sparkly color called Fairy. So since it's the holidays, I am putting on some lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. I absolutely love them. They're like just enough fluff, but still natural looking. And then I'm just applying a little bit of the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on the upper and lower lashes to finish off the eyes. Okay, I am so ready for face makeup. So picking up the Rare Beauty foundation. Love this foundation. I did a review on it. I'm still loving it. And I am just doing one swoop out of the container all over my face. Just getting it all over, and we're just going to blend this out. I start blending it out with a brush, and then I will finish it off with a damp beauty sponge. Alright, picking up the Rare Beauty concealer again, just to kind of get those stubborn spots, the dark circles under my eyes, any redness, and then I like to brighten up the center of my face a little bit as well, using a brush here, and then finishing it off with the damp Beauty sponge. Alright, picking up one of my favorites, the Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me Powder. And I'm just taking a little bit of this and brushing it all over my face just to kind of give a nice overall set down and powder look all over the face. It just looks really nice. Not too drying, nothing crazy, but just looks super pretty. Alright, and then to make sure I have that holiday glow, I'm picking up this Master Strobing Liquid by Maybelline. It's just a liquid illuminating highlighter. It's really, really beautiful. Even like without makeup, this looks really, really pretty. So I'm just placing it on the high points of my face. And again, I'm picking up my sponge because I love just how the damp sponge just kind of blends everything together. Okay, for bronzer and contour, I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. No shock there whatsoever. And I'm not doing like a super specific contour. I am making the little fishy face and going under my cheekbones to give me some definition. But, you know, I'm using a really big fluffy brush and just blending this all over. Just kind of brings that natural tan, you know, look back. And I go down my nose a little bit too. I really, you know, don't like to call this a strict contour, but just an overall bronzy glow that still gives your face some structure. Okay, for blush, I'm using this Morphe palette. It is the 8W Warm Master Blush Palette. So pretty. I love these deep, rich shades in the bottom here. I'm just mixing them together. They're called MUA and Proactive. Perfect for like the fall and winter time. And yeah, I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. Alright, let's get all this crap off of our lips and go into the lip combo of the day. So today I'm using the Milani lip liner in Spice. And of course, I'm finishing off the holiday look with the NYX Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade Kitten Heels. It's a very deep, beautiful red. If red's not your thing, feel free to use any color you want, but I'm just trying to get in the holiday spirit here. And then I'm just picking up a Q-tip to make sure that everything is clean. Alright, feel free to use a setting spray or any face spray that you like. I love the Mario Badescu facial sprays. This is just going to melt everything together. So here I am, spritzing my face, and we are done, guys. This is the final look. My camera sometimes has like that smoothing setting. I really want you guys to see, like, my skin is not perfect. Like, I want you guys, there we go, to see like the actual texture. Like, this is the way the makeup actually looks, like real life. Like, I'm not gonna, you know, BS anybody over here, but you get the idea. It's super pretty, just like a classic glam, like a classic holiday glam. I really love it. So yeah, I just want to jump back on here. I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, comment. You know I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.